Welcome, travelers, to the enchanting city of Brussels, the vibrant capital of Belgium and a hub of European culture and politics. Known for its timeless architecture, world-class gastronomy, and rich history, Brussels is more than just a gateway to Europe. It's a destination in its own right. Brussels is located in Belgium between France, the Netherlands, and Germany, and serves as the capital of the country. Positioned at the heart of Europe, it lies precisely at the red flag marker. As we embark on this journey through its cobbled streets, expansive parks, and buzzing neighborhoods, we'll uncover the city's best-kept secrets and must-see landmarks. Whether you're here for the waffles, the beer, the art, or the history, Brussels promises an unforgettable experience. Let's begin our adventure at the heart of the city, the Grand Place, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and one of the most stunning squares in the world. Enclosed by ornate guild halls adorned with gold details and intricate carvings, the square is a testament to the city's prosperous past. The towering town hall, with its Gothic spires, dominates the skyline, while the Maison du Roi, now a museum, invites you to delve deeper into the city's history. As you stroll around the square, take a moment to savor its ambience, especially magical at night when the buildings are illuminated, or during the biennial flower carpet event, where vibrant blooms transform the square into a living tapestry. A short walk away, the Royal Galleries of St. Hubert beckon with their elegant glass-roofed arcades. Built in 1847, these galleries were among Europe's first shopping arcades and remain a haven for luxury goods, gourmet chocolates, and artisanal cafes. Don't forget to indulge in a praline or two at renowned chocolatiers like Neuhaus or Pierre Marcolini, where every bite is a celebration of Belgian craftsmanship. Brussels is also a city of quirks and surprises, epitomized by the beloved mannequin piece. This diminutive statue of a urinating boy has charmed visitors for centuries and is often dressed in festive costumes to mark special occasions. But did you know that the city also boasts a Janneke piece, a female counterpart, and a whimsical dog statue known as Zinnik piece? These playful monuments add a touch of humor to the city's cultural tapestry. No visit to Brussels would be complete without venturing to the Atomium, a striking steel structure built for the 1958 World Expo. Designed to resemble an iron molecule magnified 165 billion times, the Atomium is both a marvel of engineering and a symbol of post-war optimism. Inside, exhibitions explore themes of science and progress, while the top sphere offers panoramic views of the city. Nearby, Mini Europe invites you to tour the continent in miniature, with meticulous recreations of iconic landmarks from the Eiffel Tower to the Acropolis. As we delve deeper into Brussels, its parks and green spaces offer a welcome respite from the urban bustle. The Cinquantenaire Park, with its majestic triumphal arch, is perfect for a leisurely stroll or a picnic. History buffs will appreciate the adjacent museums, including the Royal Museum of the Armed Forces and Military History, which showcases centuries of military artifacts. For a more tranquil escape, the Bois de la Combe provides a serene woodland retreat, complete with a picturesque lake. Food lovers, prepare to be delighted. Brussels is a culinary haven where indulgence knows no bounds. Start with a Brussels waffle, light and crispy, dusted with powdered sugar, or piled high with fresh fruit and whipped cream. Venture into one of the city's many friteries, such as Maison Antoine or Free Flegge, for a cone of golden fries served with an array of sauces. And of course, no trip to Belgium would be complete without sampling its legendary beers. From fruity lambics to robust Trappist ales, the variety is staggering. For an authentic experience, head to the Delirium Café, home to thousands of brews from around the globe. Art and culture thrive in Brussels, with a wealth of museums and galleries to explore. The Magritte Museum celebrates the surrealist works of René Magritte, whose whimsical paintings challenge perceptions of reality. Music enthusiasts will revel in the Musical Instruments Museum, where a collection of over 8,000 instruments brings the history of music to life. Meanwhile, the streets themselves are a canvas, adorned with murals and comic strips paying homage to Belgium's love affair with the ninth art, comics. Brussels also plays a pivotal role on the global stage as the de facto capital of the European Union. The European Quarter is home to the European Parliament, the European Commission, and the Council of the EU, institutions that shape the continent's future. A visit to the Parliamentarium offers an insightful look into the workings of the EU through interactive exhibits and multimedia displays. In addition to the Parliamentarium, the House of European History offers a detailed look at the continent's historical and cultural evolution. The exhibitions provide valuable context for understanding Brussels' role as the capital of Europe. As our journey continues, we'll explore some of Brussels' lesser-known treasures. The Mont d'Art offers breathtaking views of the city and is a hub of cultural activity, with landmarks like the Beaux-Arts Art Center and the Royal Library of Belgium nearby. The Sablon neighborhood, known for its antique shops and upscale cafes, exudes old-world charm, while the bustling Marolles district is a haven for vintage lovers and bargain hunters. Brussels also serves as a perfect base for exploring other Belgian gems. Day trips to Bruges and Ghent reveal storybook settings of canals, cobbled streets, and medieval architecture. Easily accessible by train, these cities are a testament to Belgium's rich heritage and diverse landscapes. One of the city's most iconic buildings, the Royal Palace, overlooks Brussels Park and is open to the public during the summer months. Visitors can explore its opulent interiors, adorned with intricate decorations, and learn about the history of the Belgian monarchy. Be sure to admire the famous ceiling designed by John Faber, covered with millions of jewel beetle wings, a stunning blend of traditional and contemporary art. For those seeking a break from typical tourist routes, Ixelles offers a charming bohemian vibe. This area is a treasure trove of Art Nouveau architecture, local markets, and independent boutiques. The Horta Museum, the former home of architect Victor Horta, is a must-see for design enthusiasts. Adjacent to the Royal Palace, the Bellevue Museum provides an immersive journey into Belgium's history. Through interactive exhibits, it explores the country's past and cultural heritage, making it a great stop for those eager to gain a deeper understanding of Belgium's identity. For a tranquil escape into nature, the Saunian Forest offers a peaceful retreat just a short distance from the city center. Its towering beech trees make it an ideal spot for a relaxing walk or a bike ride. Brussels boasts an excellent public transport system, including trams, buses, and metros. Consider purchasing a Brussels card, which offers unlimited travel and free or discounted entry to various museums. For a more adventurous option, rent a bike and explore the city's bike-friendly routes. For luxury and convenience, opt for accommodations in the European Quarter or near the Grand Place. For a more authentic experience, consider the lively neighborhoods of Saint-Gilles or Ixelles, known for their vibrant atmosphere and local charm. Spring, April to June, and autumn, September to October, offer mild weather and fewer crowds, making them ideal times to visit. If you're traveling in winter, don't miss the Christmas markets and the city's Festival of Lights. Sample traditional dishes such as carbonade flamande, beer-braised beef stew, and moules frites, mussels with fries. Beer lovers should explore local breweries or join a guided beer tour for a taste of Belgium's famed brews. Brussels is famous for its chocolate and beer. Visit Mary, one of the oldest chocolate shops, or explore specialty stores like Beer Planet for craft beers. For unique finds, check out vintage markets in the Marolles district. As we come to the end of our tour, it's clear that Brussels is a city of endless surprises. Its blend of history, culture, and innovation creates a dynamic energy that captivates all who visit. Whether you're savoring a warm waffle in the shadow of the Atomium or wandering through the historic Grand Place, Brussels leaves an indelible mark on the heart. Special events. Amagang Festival, a historical reenactment in the Grand Place, held every summer. Brussels Jazz Festival. A must for music lovers, this event takes place every January and draws international artists. Brussels is committed to sustainability. Many restaurants offer vegetarian and vegan options, and the city hosts eco-friendly initiatives such as the Bike Brussels Festival. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed this journey through Brussels, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to DSV Travel Trip for more inspiring destinations. Let us know in the comments your favorite part of Brussels or where you'd like us to explore next. Until then, safe travels and see you in the next video.